Hey, today I'm gonna show y'all how to do baby hairs, beginner friendly. You take like C sections of the baby hairs that you want. So kind of like this. So like go in C motions, and I'm gonna do one right here and one right there, and I'm gonna show y'all. So once you have your 3 sections, you just gonna comb out like the part that had like kind of holding spray on it. We're gonna pluck these to make it look like this edge. Once you get your edges like plucked the way that you like them, you're gonna take your hot comb and just straighten them. But I just use some sharp scissors and cut at an angle, short to long. And try to cut a little longer first, because you can always go shorter, but you can never go longer. So yeah, just remember that. I'm going to show you how to do it with and without a mini flat iron, because a lot of people don't have mini flat iron, so I need to give y'all, this heat. So I take some Got2b. This is very beat up, please don't mind the beginning of the edges. So I'm gonna show y'all. I like to use a comb with this at the end to where I can guide it, but this is what you're gonna do. With a lot of y'all who struggle with shape, think of making C motions. So drag your comb down and make C motions, like you're making a C. Like you're drawing the letter C, And just keep swooping. And there you have it, folks. Next, you can do the same thing. You literally just curl it down and swoop the baby hairs in C motions. I usually just like the 2 edges with the sideburns, but I'm just showing this for reference. I'm also going to show y'all the curl up method that some people do, so just watch. Okay, so there we have it. This is with no mini flat iron, this is with the curling down mini flat iron, and this is with the curling up. I honestly don't like baby hairs at all, but I did this for y'all, so let me know which one y'all like best. They all work in my opinion. Just keep practicing and you got it.